What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It's been a minute since I've recorded down here. The last time I recorded down here was with the Civic, and thinking about it, I don't even remember how I got the car down here because I remember it was scraping everywhere. But today we are going to talk about a few things about my Golf R that I kind of figured out, found out, and there's some aftermarket parts done to the car. If you know me, I wanted to buy a stock as possible car, and that's not what I got here. I got something that is a bit modified, but it's still okay because I think the things that are done to it are gonna help me out a little bit and even save me some money. Because if you don't know anything about Euro cars, these parts for these things are dumb expensive. Let's start with the front and the stuff that's really easily seen. And that is my front splitter, my side extensions, and the rear duckbill thing. These parts are from Aerofab, and it looks like altogether these few pieces was about $600 to $700 worth of parts. And I like the side skirt extensions. I'm not a fan of the duckbill or the diffuser because I like the things that are a little bit more aggressive and full. So I'm eventually going to change out the back part and the front part. I might leave the sides or find something else that I like. Obviously, these wheels ain't stock either. They are MKs, and I wish I remembered what kind they were, but I don't. Honestly, I really don't mind the wheels. They're a little bit skinny for what I like because I like to have a little bit of pokage. If you remember the BRZ, we had quite a bit of poke. So these wheels definitely aren't wide enough for my liking, but they look better than stock wheels. And two, it kind of puts me in a direction because now I know I'm gonna want black wheels for the car. Maybe I'll go silver, but I think the black wheels on this car look really good. And also, these are gonna make a perfect winter set, so I never have stock wheels for this car. Again, I really don't know a lot about Golf Rs or Golfs or Volkswagens in general, but I'm not sure, but I think these might be smoked a little bit because one, they do look really good, but they just don't look stock to me. I mean, hey, they might be completely stock and they might not be smoked at all, but I think they look really good. Now, the last aesthetic thing we're gonna talk about is something that I've gotten questions about from every person that's seen this car in person, and it is the carbon fiber wrap. On the mirrors, it looks terrible. On the roof, I kinda like it, but if I keep it on the roof, I'm gonna have to redo it in something that looks a little bit more realistic. And now everyone's favorite part, the performance things that are done to this car. And I found quite a bit. The first one is my exhaust. And I'm trying to find the pricing for this exhaust, but it is an AWE switch path unlocked exhaust, which means it is a full Valvetronic exhaust. And the problem is I don't have the remote, so it's stuck on silent mode. These tips are black, they look cool, and you go under the car, you see this giant muffler, but then you see the little AWE thing somewhere down here. I don't feel like searching for it, but it's down there. So it is a full Valvetronic exhaust. It's like $1,500 to $2,500, and I wish I had the remote, and I might try to find the previous owner of the car to see if he still has it. Otherwise, I'm going to find a workaround. They do have the thing called the track path or whatever, and I can literally take the muffler off and just put a muffler delete on there, and it's gonna be a 3-inch out the entire cat way down. So we have some options. Now, the thing that scares me the most is the engine stuff. You come in the engine bay, it's your TSI Golf R EA 888 engine, and the first thing you see is this air intake. It's again like a $500–600 intake for this car that the guy put into it, and I don't know why this guy put so much money in the car and then sold it, but there's one more mod that I found in the engine bay, and this is the one that concerned me the most because of what I think is happening next. APR coil packs definitely aren't stock on this car. So I looked these up, and it makes a 15% hotter spark or something like that. I didn't get all the details, but it does have aftermarket coil packs. I did look at the turbo, and the turbo is a stock IS38 turbo, and the intercooler has VW badging all over it, so I don't think he got that far. But it looks like the guy was trying to go stage 2 as fast as possible. Now this car is fast, and it feels fast, and the question is, how stock is the tune on this car? He has an exhaust, there's coil packs, there's a bunch of little things on here, and the only thing left to do before stage 2 is an intercooler. I have this thing called an OBD11, so you Euro, Volkswagen, Audi people will understand what that is. And I looked into the engine module, and I looked at like all the serial numbers and all the codes, and it looks to be a stock tune, because usually there will be a thing that will make it seem like it'll say STG 1 or 2 or 3, and that means it's, you know, it's staged, so it's a different tune. But everything looks to be a completely stock tune, and this car doesn't brake boost, and every single big tune company for this car you can brake boost in. So that makes me assume, to my full knowledge and extent of, I don't know what I'm saying right now, it makes me assume that this car is not tuned and we're on a stock tune, which makes me happy because this car is crazy, it's fast, it's a lot of fun, and I want it to be stock tuned, so when I do go to tune it, I will, you know, feel the difference and it'll be crazy. I have stuff planned for Monday for this car. Right now it is Friday, so we are going to start modding this thing as soon as possible. I already have a parts list planned out. I already have a catalog of things I want to do to this car, and it's bad because it's going to cost me a lot of money, but this car is going to be so dope. I really don't have anything else for you guys. I kind of hope you guys like this video. Little update on the Golf R, because, you know, we just got the car, we got some stuff that's gonna be happening with it, so I thought it'd be, those headlights are so dope. I'm sorry what everyone thinks, I think they're dope, but I just wanted to give you guys a little knowledge check on the car so you guys know as much as I do about it. With that being said, I hope you guys are excited for Golf R content, because I know I am extremely hyped for it. So with that being said, I'm gonna leave you guys off here. So if you guys can please do me a few things: comment, like, subscribe, keep doing that fun stuff, keep doing you, stay motivated, boys. I'll catch you next time. Peace out and peace.